Hey there, fellow explorers of knowledge. Welcome back to my channel where we dive into the depths of history, science, and all things fascinating. Today, we're embarking on an epic journey to unravel the incredible story of how humankind came to create civilization, only to find ourselves on the brink of destroying it. So buckle up and get ready to be amazed. Can you believe it? Once upon a time, we humans were mere nomads, wandering the vast landscape, hunting and gathering for survival. But then, something extraordinary happened. Our ancestors discovered the secret to agriculture. With the advent of farming, we settled down and formed tightly knit communities. We built houses, created tools, and developed systems of trade. This was the birth of civilization as we know it. The transition from a nomadic lifestyle to an agrarian society revolutionized our way of life. No longer dependent solely on hunting and gathering, we now had the ability to cultivate crops and raise livestock, providing a more stable and consistent source of food. As a result, our communities thrived, and we began to specialize in various trades and crafts. With newfound time and resources, people could divert their attention to other pursuits, such as art, culture, and governance. Towns and cities emerged, bustling with activity and innovation. The development of agriculture not only transformed our physical surroundings, but also shaped our social structures and relationships. It laid the foundation for complex civilizations to flourish, with organized religions, legal systems, and advanced technologies. The discovery of agriculture remains one of the most significant milestones in human history, having a profound impact on our past, present, and future. From those humble beginnings, civilization flourished. City-states emerged, each with their unique cultures and traditions. The early city-states were bustling centers of trade, where merchants from different regions would gather to exchange goods and ideas. Over time, these city-states grew in size and power, transforming into mighty empires that spanned vast territories. With their newly acquired wealth and resources, the empires embarked on ambitious construction projects, resulting in the creation of grand palaces, sprawling markets, and impressive architectural wonders. The empires not only focused on expanding their physical infrastructure, but also made groundbreaking advancements in various fields. They made significant progress in science, discovering new medicines and developing sophisticated agricultural techniques that significantly improved crop yields. The achievements in art were equally remarkable, producing intricate sculptures, breathtaking paintings, and captivating literature. Additionally, the empires also laid the foundations of good governance, establishing systems of laws and regulations that ensured stability and justice. The construction of roads, aqueducts, and libraries further connected different regions, fostering exchange of knowledge, culture, and ideas. These remarkable civilizations set the stage for the development of our modern society. Without their ingenuity and cultural contributions, the world today would be vastly different. We owe them a debt of gratitude for shaping our world and providing the pillars upon which our society stands. Fast forward to the 18th century, and we witness another monumental shift in human history, the Industrial Revolution. This era is notorious for its rapid advancements in manufacturing, transportation, and energy production. The development and implementation of new technologies, such as steam engines and mechanized production, revolutionized the way goods were produced and transported. This not only resulted in increased efficiency and productivity, but also laid the foundation for mass production and the rise of industrial capitalism. As factories sprung up, offering employment opportunities, people migrated from rural areas to urban centers in search of work. The mechanization of agriculture led to the displacement of many farmers, who were forced to find alternative sources of income. The Industrial Revolution undoubtedly brought about unprecedented economic growth, improved living standards, and expanded opportunities. The availability of affordable goods and the rise of consumer culture created a newfound sense of material comfort and convenience. The growth of industries also led to the development of new infrastructure, such as railways and canals, which facilitated trade and transportation on a scale never seen before. However, it came at a cost: increased pollution, exploitation of resources, and social inequalities. The burning of fossil fuels to power machinery and transportation resulted in a significant rise in air and water pollution, affecting both human health and the environment. Additionally, the rapid expansion of factories and mines led to the depletion of natural resources at an alarming rate. While the Industrial Revolution brought prosperity for some, it also widened the gap between the wealthy industrialists and the working class. Workers endured long hours, low wages, and dangerous working conditions, leading to the rise of social unrest and the emergence of labor movements demanding better rights and protections. In conclusion, the Industrial Revolution was a pivotal moment in history that transformed society in numerous ways. Its impact on the economy, technology, and quality of life cannot be understated. However, it is crucial to acknowledge the negative consequences that accompanied this transformative period, highlighting the need for sustainable development and social justice as we continue to navigate the challenges and possibilities of the modern world. And now, my friends, we find ourselves facing a daunting challenge. The very civilization we've worked so hard to build is under threat. Our insatiable hunger for resources and our disregard for the delicate balance of nature has led us down a treacherous path. We're depleting our planet's resources, causing irreversible damage to ecosystems, and pushing countless species towards extinction. It's a wake-up call like no other. The consequences of our actions are becoming increasingly evident as natural disasters become more frequent and severe. We are witnessing the alarming rise in global temperatures, melting polar ice caps, and the loss of biodiversity. The fragile ecosystems that once flourished are now struggling to survive. It is up to us to take responsibility for the damage we have caused and find sustainable ways to coexist with the natural world. It is time for us to reevaluate our priorities, shift towards renewable energy sources, and embrace conservation efforts. Our future, and that of future generations, depends on our ability to change our ways and protect the planet that sustains us. The challenges may be daunting, but together, we have the power to make a difference. Let us work towards a world where harmony between humanity and nature is not just a dream, but a reality. Through education, innovation, and collective action, we can restore the balance and create a truly sustainable civilization. It's time to rewrite the narrative and ensure a brighter future for generations to come. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. I appreciate your support and hope you found it informative. Your feedback is valuable to me, so don't forget to hit the like button and let me know in the comments what you thought. Also, if you enjoyed this video and don't want to miss out on future content, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. This helps me to continue creating quality content for you. Thank you again for your support.